Hi, this is a Minute of Overpass. My name is Eric and I make apps. Now this week I want to talk about the huge difference between being somebody who makes money from releasing apps or a business owner and being a software developer. Okay, so I've been a software developer for a long time. So before producing apps for myself and before making money from apps, I would contract, or I would be a permanent employee for other companies. So I've produced software for some of the largest investment banks in London, for the BBC, for major publishers, so I know what it's like to be a software developer. But however, over the last few years, it's kind of changed as being somebody who makes money by writing software to somebody who makes money by releasing software. And it's a completely different mentality. I put apps out and try to make money from them. So either through advertising or in-app purchases or what have you. Now I was talking with a friend of mine a few months ago, and he's a software developer too, same background. We kind of you work together for quite a long time. And he said, "Hey, guess what, Eric? I'm making an app too, right?" And I said, "Oh, that's fantastic. What is it? Where can I download it?" And he says, "Oh, well, I'm still working on it. I've been working on it over the last 6 months, and I've got like probably another 6 months to go, but it's going to be fantastic. It's completely, he was telling me the architecturally, how the code was structured and how robust it was and everything like that. And it was kind of reminded me of the fact of my software developer mentality. Now, as a software developer, if you've ever hired me as a software developer, you know that I never have enough time for anything, right? I want the code to be perfect, right? It needs to be well tested. The reason that there's any problems with it is because I didn't have enough time because we were rushed, right? However, as a business developer, or as a business owner, somebody who makes money from released products, my goal is to get the minimum viable product released as quickly as possible. So the MVP, or the minimum viable product. It's not so much putting out software that's perfect, although if you could, go ahead. It's to put out something as quickly and as inexpensively as possible, because you really start to learn about your clients or the app, or how people are going to receive that app once they start downloading it and giving you feedback. So I learn 1,000 times more from an app that I've released and then people are commenting on or rejecting or whatever, than I do from one that's in my head, or one that's it's still in the code editor because we're trying to put those last few changes on it. So this week I just kind of want to say, if you're a software developer like me and you're going to produce your own apps, it actually does help to hire somebody to do some of the code for you, or to even do all the code for you, ideally. Now, they won't do it as well as you probably, but it will put you in that different mindset. You're paying not for your own time, but you're paying for somebody else's time. And what you need to do is get that app, get the bare minimum done so that it's usable and people could try it out and use it. So that's it for my Minute of Overpass this week. If you subscribe to us on iTunes, I'd love it if you leave a review. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel. I'd love to talk to you each week and let you know our views on the app market. So that's it. I'll talk to you next week. Goodbye.